Welcome to another beautiful sunny day in Manitoba. I'm just on my way out to the selling stand where I have parked my old Ford 8N and my Massey Ferguson Tractor 35. I've stored them away now for the winter. I've closed up uh, the one end and the side. Sorry, it's going to probably be a little bit bumpy walking out here like this. I thought I'd let you see how it looks out there now. Definitely doesn't look like market time, but in the book of Ecclesiastes in the Bible, it says, to everything there is a season. And that includes market gardening. I guess I would like it if it would go all year round, but then probably people wouldn't be so excited about it either when it came time. So I'm just coming up here close now. And this stand, it wasn't planned this way, but it turned out that with the Massey and the Ford 8N tractors, as you will see here in a second, we get out of the glow of the sun. And the tire there, it fit just perfect. Right in there all the way. You see the 8N? Oh, let's see if I can go around this way. It's not going to be one of my better videos with the sun there at this point in time. Okay, well, we're getting something here. There's the 8N up in front. You can see that it has a narrower wheelbase. There's lots of room to drive that one in. But with the Massey being a significantly larger tractor with the wheelbase that's significantly more, I don't have a whole lot of room. The sun is blocking it out again, I think, but I'll try it here. It's just 5 inches or so on that side, and on this side, pretty tight. But we got it in, and they're here probably at least until May. I boarded up the other end. I'll walk around there and let you see that too. Again, I apologize for the shakiness, but I'm trying to hold this with my hand, and I'm not the steadiest. Now, this is an inside look that you haven't seen before of the stand. My grandson's work, a bunch of his friends as well as other grandsons. Beautiful wall on the back, all lumber cut from the forests here in Manitoba. My son's land. He has cut down all the dead trees, those that had died, and then took them to a sawmill and cut it up. There's my old 1938 potato digger. It's not much doing anymore. It just kind of sits here as a ambiance. Oh, over here I put up these boards on the end here to close this off so that people driving by or whatever wouldn't be able to peek in at the tractors. But I have to trim those ends off. Not look very neat, but I wanted to get it closed up and get it ready. Not knowing when the snow will fall, but that it for sure will. And Just shooting up a picture toward the house. It's Manitoba. Oh, I think tomorrow is October 31st. And then we're into November and anything can happen. So anyway, just a little update here, and I wanted to bring you to the shed to see if I could point to you the tractors. I'm just curious about doing this myself. I'm sneaking into a little peeking hole here. See if I can get any view. The camera eye is somewhere else, but there you can see the 8N sitting there, quite comfortable and ready for spring. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.